This is how to fix Discord mobile notifications. Tap on your Discord app. Then you are going to see notification icon at the bottom there. Tap on it. Then you are going to see the three dots on the top right corner. Tap on them. Then you are going to see notification settings. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So ensure that the first option is enabled. So you are going to enable the first option, get notification within Discord. Then you are going to scroll down a little bit under system notification. You are going to tap on that. Then it will land you here. So tap on notification. Then ensure that you have allowed notification for Discord. Then you can choose a different type of notification, the ones that you need to allow. If it is direct messages, you can select direct messages, and other notification. If it is friend request, you can select friend request, and then you can allow notification. So once you've done that, you will go back to Discord. Then you need to allow this notify on every new messages in conversation. Allow that. Then scroll down. Then reaction notifications, you need to select all messages. And that's how to fix Discord mobile notification. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.